Hi, this is Karen from She Worcester. Today we're going to show you how to put clip-ins in. This is going to be the way that you put clip-ins in without damage. Now I've made 3 pieces here to go in Charlie's hair. Now you can do it as 1 piece, as 2 pieces, but we're going to do the 3 just to show you how to do it properly. Now we're going to part the hair. You could go a little bit higher or lower, but I've made a small piece for the back. Try and get it as straight as possible. Now I know a lot of girls put their own clip-ins in, so I know it can't be helped with the lines, and that they just put their head upside down and plant them straight in. But if you could just follow some of the instructions and don't always put clip-ins in the same place every time. Now the best thing is to do is to have a back combing comb. And if you give the hair a quick back comb. Now I'm not going to today, but you could put hairspray in this if you're not allergic to hairspray. Open the clips up, back comb, and then twist. Now that will hold and cause no bald patches. Now the reason I'm doing this video, as some of you are probably thinking, well, we know how to put clip-ins in, is because I get quite a few girls coming in. When I put the clip-ins in for them, they think I've put them upside down. But the truth is that I have a few girls are putting them upside down, which is actually pulling on the hair and causing the bald patches. Now because the hair goes in this direction, then the clip-ins should. If you're having it up for a wedding, then you could put it clip-ins upside down for that to be held up, but not on the tension of walking around through the day with clips upside down. I mean, it's all good if you've got someone to do it, otherwise you just have to look in the mirror and find where the clips are going and just give it a quick back comb to stop the clips sliding out. So again, just open them up. If you just twist and the clip goes down into the hair. Again, twist down into the hair, and this goes all the way around into the hair. This way, it's going the same direction of the hair, so there's no tension. And because it's got a back comb, it's going to hold and the clips aren't going to slide out. Still only takes 5 minutes just with a back comb. If you do want to use hairspray or a band, elastic band will do the same, because if your hair's too fine and you don't want to back comb it or it's in bad condition, then what you could actually do is put a band where the clip needs to go and then put the clip into that. Again, just measure round, know where you're going, twist, twist. That's all it looks like when it's twisted in. Twist, and that one again, twist. And there you have clip-ins which are attached properly. And now you can style them, curl them, and they're not going to pull the hair out. Thank you.